What's up, guys? Master T Killer here at the MAB charity show out in Adrian, Michigan. I'm gonna show you guys my dream build. So we got the pickup, multiple alts. All the seats still in. Go on a road trip with your entire family.
He figured if I gave him a head start, he could beat me. I came past him so fast, I was like 2 blocks in front of him. He seen the police, he turned the other way. I was going so fast, I just
Hey Craig,
they tried to
what's this tuned to?
They hit their lights
I don't know.
about 2 blocks.
Louder. It's low. It's real low.
I'm going about 121.
So you got the 4th order, the 815s, C7s, that is, running off of 2 American-based VFL 1100.1s. Thick wiring. Obviously my build would be slightly different. XS V2s, 815s, running off of some bandas. Definitely be sexy. And there's still plenty of room to carry stuff around. Dream build right there, people. Dream build.
No, that love is lost. You not let go. You say it's my fault. Okay, then I'll go. It's better to know. Now it's nobody to argue with. 'Cause I'm not good.